Apple's been slowly stuffing more and more features into the screens of its iPhones, including most recently an always-on display and a notch-replacing dynamic island. It sounds as if more enhancements will be coming to the screen's brightness, bezels, and associated features, although some of the best ones won't be available on cheaper iPhones. iPhone 15 display, display size, type and resolution. For all the possible changes the iPhone 15 could make to its displays, size shouldn't be one of them. The rumors are quite clear that we'll again see two sizes, the 6.1-inch Vanilla and Pro model, and the 6.7-inch Plus and Pro Max model. These screens should be all of the OLED variety too, just like the previous 3 generations of iPhone, since Apple's next-gen micro-LED tech isn't ready just yet. They'll likely be the same resolutions too, which would be 1170 by 2532 for the iPhone 15, 1284 by 2778 for the iPhone 15 Plus, 1179 by 2556 for the iPhone 15 Pro and 1290 by 2796 for the iPhone 15 Pro Maximum. iPhone 15 display, refresh rate and always-on display. Apple introduced its promotion, 120Hz refresh rate to the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max in 2021, and the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max inherited it last year. While we've been hoping Apple will increase the refresh rate of the standard and Plus iPhone 15s, it's still expected that 120Hz will remain exclusive to the Pro models, with 60Hz once again for the standard ones. iPhone 15 display, bezels. The borders around the iPhone 15 screens are expected to get thinner, with the iPhone 15 Pro models expected to get particularly slim 1.55mm bezels, slimmer than any other smartphone currently on sale. iPhone 15 display, dynamic island. New to the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max last year was the dynamic island, a replacement for Apple's classic Face ID notch. In theory, this is coming to all iPhone 15 models, not just the Pro editions like last year. That means a little bit of extra display space at the top of the screen, and size-changing widgets for certain apps that expand and shrink on demand. iPhone 15 display, external display support. For most users, the iPhone's built-in display is more than enough. But for users who want the most space possible, the iPhone 15 Pro could answer your wishes by offering support for external displays. Hope you understand about iPhone 15 display and its features. If you have any doubts, then please comment below. Thank you.